Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome, a blend of luxury and independence. Imagine a vehicle that combines the luxury of Italian design, outstanding engine performance, and the conveniences of a mobile home. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome will be the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Designed for families and people who value travel with unwavering performance and flair. External. Athletic style, inspired by the iconic Maserati automobiles. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome will have a sleek, athletic look. Dynamic silhouette, the body lines will flow naturally, in contrast to conventional motorhomes, which have a rigid, boxy appearance. Maserati Signature Front Fascia, the oval-shaped front grille will prominently feature the iconic Maserati trident emblem. Details of carbon fiber, the rear diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, and mirrors are just a few of the exterior parts that will use carbon fiber. Highlights to accentuate the car's athletic and upscale nature. Panoramic Skylight. The roof will have a large panoramic skylight that will provide a wide view of the sky and let in natural light. Inside, superior practicality and luxuriance. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome's interior exudes luxury and attention to detail from the moment you walk in, thanks to its use of premium materials and state-of-the-art technology. Luxurious materials, fine leather and alcantara will be used to cover the dashboard, door panels, and seats. Flexible layout. The interior layout will be designed to maximize both space and flexibility. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will have high-end appliances like a massive refrigerator, convection oven, and induction cooktop, along with surfaces made of premium materials like quartz or thin marble. Elegant bedroom. The bedroom will offer all the amenities of a 5-star establishment, a high-performance V6 or possibly a twin-turbo V8 gasoline or diesel engine.